Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. हाम्रो चाहिँ हैन 2 दिन आइस आएर हेर्नु त यहाँ पुरै के रे यो के रे ढलेर यस्तो भएको छ. Look at me passing. यस्तो हिँड्नु पर्छ. ओके. पछाडी त यहाँ ढलेर यस्तो भएको छ हैन. Please be careful बाटोमा हिँड्नु सक्नुहुन्छ. यस्तो जाडो छ oh my god. म हैन यो क्यामेरा यसरी समाउनको लागि मेरो हात पनि यस्तो कामिरहेको छ क्या. सो म चाहिँ ग्रोसरी जान लागेको. यिनीहरू चाहिँ मेरो साथीहरू. हेलो भन्नु साथीहरू मेरो भ्लगमा. It's okay, ignore गरिदिनु मलाई. It's okay guys, everything doesn't go on your way and that's okay. Everything doesn't go as it's planned in life, but that's okay. We just have to move on, you know. We just have to move on with your life, so it's okay. We don't mind. Shadow. I can't. I can't do it this weather. I can't do. मलाई त homeless जस्तो भएर हिँडेको. Guys, do I look like homeless? Please, do I look like homeless? Like seriously? But I will take it as a compliment. It's me. Okay guys, never mind. Let's be serious. We have to be serious with our life. अब यो खेल्ने उमेर हाँसो मजा गर्ने उमेर गइसक्यो हैन. गइसक्यो अब हामी सिरियस हुनुपर्छ. ए पागल औरत. Okay, so now we are in Dollar Tree to buy something, to buy mirrors. Yeah. Mirror. Yeah, there's a torchlight. For your information, I will talk in English in this vlog because I need to practice for my speaking test because I need to give IELTS and achieve at least 9 bands. 9 less than 9. I know that sounds dumb, but that's the goal. You know, that's the aim. I don't know what to buy. Guys, what should I buy? You're cute, huh? Do you guys like it? Please comment. Guys, I say you have a makeup bag and then your kata, your aina new Sunday, and then your kata. Look at this kata, how cute it is. How cute. I freaking love it. So I bought it. Your kata. Isn't it cute? Yeah, wow. Now we are out from Dollar Tree and I say here सामानहरु किने अनि चाहिँ अब चाहिँ हामी फुड बेसिक्स जाँदै छौं. फुड बेसिक्समा चाहिँ ग्रोसरी गर्ने. We are in the food basics now. I love grocery until it's time to pay. I don't want to pay, but I would grocery. Someone give me free grocery, please. Please. I beg you, please. Oh my god, guys. We don't like that. Wow. My daughter anymore. Oh wow. Yay, guys. हमसे grocery का ban लगो हमने total 210 भयो. Individual खर्च चाहिँ एउटाको 140 अर्को 70 गरेर जति भयो. सामान चाहिँ अब चाहिँ हामी इगलतिर गएको छौँ अनि इगल आएपछि चाहिँ हामी घर जान्छौँ. एउटा यस्तो फन्डी कुरा उभरले पर्सेन्टै भएर मैले वाट इज इट भनेको छैन. ग्रोसरी भन्थ्यो अनि नो भने अनि चाहिँ न्युसन भने साइडबाट साथीले बोल्दा अनि ओके अरे. ओके सो हाम्रो उबर पनि आइसक्यो. हामी चाहिँ लोड गरिरहेको छौँ होइन. अब चाहिँ हामी जान्यो. न्युसन बिङ रेन्टल भ्यान. थ्याङ्क यू.